Let's see a quick demo of this project. So if I press 1, the LED will glow, which is on the breadboard. When I press 2, buzzer will sound. So it's a very simple project. So every single detail to build this project is given in this video. So follow along the way I'm doing. It's a very simple setup, and you should be able to build simple project as well as decode the you know buttons value, which is IR remote button value. So the wire connection is done. Now it's time to upload the code. Okay, so connection was very simple, right? So every component has been wired up. To get the code, visit this URL. The URL is in description. This is my blog's URL. So you see the components you need, the wiring instructions, and right below that you will get the code. So to copy the code from here, and you will directly paste into Arduino IDE. Okay, you will see it down below. You will see how you test and what is required, because the value you will get in hexadecimal, right? The comparison. So slight change you need to do, I will show you that. So just copy the code from here, and I will open a new sketch here. Before you upload the code, you need to install this library, IRE mode. To install the library, click on tools, click on manage libraries, and just write the name or paste the name from here. Okay, and you will see the first one, IRE mode. Yeah, this one is already installed on my machine. If it is not installed on your machine, go ahead and install it, right? Yeah, just one thing. The one I was talking about, I replaced the value with 1 and 2, which means button 1 and button 2 of my remote. Now I will go ahead and upload the code. Although this is not needed, just to make you understand, because we have to first generate the code and you know use it in the code again and re-upload it. Let me show you how what exactly I mean. So the code has been uploaded. The moment I pressed 1, and I see some value. When I press 2, I see more, the value again. I need to copy the value from here. So I will copy the value which has been generated, and I will replace with, I will copy the code again, the sec for button 2. I will do the same thing. I will paste the value and then 0x, right, for hexadecimal. Now again upload the code. So this is the only change required, right? Okay, so it has been uploaded. It's time to test. Yeah, you might have seen this in the beginning of the video. So this worked. Now if you want to decode, right, if you want to decode the unique value of any other button, which means maybe 3 or 4, or maybe up, down, right, left on your remote, you can use this code and keep the baud rate as 9600 of your serial monitor, because that's baud rate in code also. Okay, and you also have to include the library as you just did, so you do not have to include the library, but you can verify, right? So just a few checkpoints, and here, just copy the code from here, and follow the same process. Upload the code and press the button, right, and you will see in serial monitor.